Hi, I'm Vicki. Welcome to Make Life Special and another visit in Vicki's kitchen. Well, fall is in the air and it's time to get a big pot of soup simmering on the stove. Today we're going to make my easy black bean soup. The recipe is quick to make. You can have this on the table in about 15 minutes. It only has a few ingredients. They're all readily available, and this is really a delicious recipe. To start with, we're going to add 1 chopped onion to the pot, 2 14.5-ounce cans of chicken broth, 2 chicken bouillon cubes. If you don't have this, it's really optional. I just think it adds some extra flavor to the soup. And then we're going to add 3 cups of water. Turn on the heat to medium-high, and we're going to let this simmer on the stove for 5 minutes until the onions are tender. While the onions and chicken broth are simmering this 5 minutes, we're going to take 2 cans of black beans undrained and add these to the blender, and we're going to puree these. The other 2 cans we'll just add as they are directly from the can. But the pureed black beans will just add the right amount of thickness to the soup. So again, we're just going to put 2 cans in the blender and give them a quick whirl. Now we're ready to add the pureed black beans to the soup pot. Remember, this will just add the right amount of thickness to the soup. 2 cans of undrained black beans. And then we're also going to add a 16-ounce jar of salsa. And I chose the medium salsa. If you want to make this soup a little spicier, you can actually go up to the hot salsa if you want to. And the last ingredient for the soup is 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. And this adds just the right amount of zip to this soup. Sprinkle that in. I'm going to give this a quick stir, cover it, and simmer for 10 minutes. And then soup's on. Well, the soup is ready, and I'm going to ladle it up. And then we'll be back in just a minute, and I'll show you how we'll garnish this with some cheddar cheese, sour cream, and jalapeno pepper slices. Now we're going to garnish the black bean soup with just a big dollop of sour cream. And I want to go ahead and sprinkle some cheddar cheese on. You could also use Monterey Jack cheese if you like that, for just a little extra spice. And then I'm going to top it with just a couple of slices of pickled jalapeno peppers. And there you have it, our easy black bean soup.